大拿在赛后因为骨头问题和记者吵了起来。佩雷拉的惊人的表现。赛后发布会，记者继续质疑骨头，认为骨头琼斯不配 P4P 历史最佳。这次大拿非常生气。
You know, in Stipe or in a longer time,
he got hurt.
I get it. I'm not criticizing.
He was trying to fight.
I'm just saying, yeah, no.
Yeah, well, it's not like he's just fucking sitting around and doesn't want to fight. The guy came to fight. It's the first injury he's ever had. And listen to me.
我不是在为乔恩·琼斯辩护，你懂我的意思吗？乔恩·琼斯一直是我最头疼的人之一，而且在我待在这家公司期间，对吧？你知道，这家伙并不是公司里的模范战士。无论你怎么看待约翰·琼斯，他都是有史以来最棒的。
I think he's the best ever. I agree.
他是世界顶尖的拳击选手。
He's pulling for that check hook. Yeah, he got saved by the bell. Alex got saved by the bell the first round in the Izzy fight. Remember what happened?